What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in East LA. So of course, gotta check out the East LA Nike Outlet, or the East LA Community Store. Only store in LA with refurbished stuff. So yeah, sometimes you can find some stuff. Let's go. All right, I think it's what, 6:10. A few minutes before they close. They do close at 7. I don't know. Let's see if they got any leftover stuff. All right. Okay, they are having some sort of weird event here. I don't know, but they got these bad boys. They got these. Shout out to the homie David. Watch the channel supports. They got these, but they only have up to size. They only have up to size 10, and no discounts either. All right, let's go check out the actual aisles or the clearance section. Let's go check out the clearance section. And good news is the wall is full, and then we also get 20% off too, so that's pretty dope. All right, let's look around, see what we find. I've actually been hoping to find one of these in my size because I actually really like the Zion right here. These are the Zion 2s. Right? Yeah, I actually really like these. Not a fan of the 1s. 2s I'm a fan of, like especially this colorway. This colorway I think is super dope. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this colorway, dude. These are sick, especially with 20% off. I really didn't want to pay $140 for them, but 20% off, I'll pay with 20% off because that brings it down to almost $110. So yeah, that's what's up. Damn, these are dope. These are dope. I'm not gonna lie. Toe box is actually different colors, slightly different colors up top as well. Okay, so it is a mismatch, man. That's fire, dude. That's fire. Size 9 though, so that doesn't really work for me. Air Max SCs right here go for $38, hella cheap. These are what, gently worn. Crater remixes going for $35. Holy crap, that's size 8. Ooh, some Be True Cortez. Haven't seen too many Cortezes lately. This is a size 9. If that's your flavor, that's not bad. Size 9. $90. Guess we're going with the size 9s. Air Force Ones right here, $100 for those. Jordan Jordan ADG 4s. I was like, Jordan 4s, what? Huh? But yeah, $93 for these. Normally 80, what, 185? That's gently worn. Moving up to the 10s. Man, these are super dope, especially for this price. The Go Fly Ease, right? The ones where you can easily take them on and off. $60. $60 gently worn. That's insane. Some center cores going for $81. Remember that you do get 20% off all this. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $220. Air Force One Mids going for $110. Oh, these right here. Some Air Max Motives going for $140. Never even seen that. So what? Air Force One Mids. Seen these a few times, man. The leather on these, not bad. And suede is a type of leather. People try to correct me. Suede is a type of leather, dude. Like, people be tripping for nothing. Pegasus 36 is going for $72. PG5 is going for $55. PG5 55, and you get 20% off. These are $45, dude. $45. Oh my goodness. Still got a ton of these. The Zoom Pulse going for $20. You get that extra 20% off. This is a 10.5. $110 for these. That's a freaking steal. The Invincible Run Flyknits, $110, 10.5. Size 11. These vintage Nike Blazer lows. We've seen these here for like a couple months. $53. This gently worn. More Go Fly Ease going for $60. If I can find a size 12, I'm gonna pick one up, especially for this price. Some Blazers going for $100. What is this? The kind of like a UCLA color. Waffle Trainers going for $70. All right, another time they told me I couldn't record in here. All right, let's go somewhere else. Forget these guys. All right, just left, but one of my boys asked me to get him something. So, all right, let's pick those up, and then we're gonna go to the Citadel. Let's go there. All right, so I did grab these, the Tempo Next Percents. Man, if I knew the price, I would have bought it for myself, to be honest. But yeah, I did get this for one of the homies. Look, it shows as $100, normally $200. It is gently worn. I didn't see any signs of any wear. Like I checked here, and I also checked the inside. There there was no evidence that it was worn or anything. And then I got to show you the price. So it was listed as $100. It rang up for 50. Rang up for 50. I did get $10 off for the 20% off. But yeah, they came out to $43 after tax. $43.77 after tax. Man, $200 shoe for 40 bucks. Not bad, dude, not bad. All right, next stop, we are headed to the Citadel. Let's see what they got here, man. So curious. Someone did tell me about this a day or two ago, and they still have the Brotherhoods here. They have them everywhere, it seems like, huh? A little close-up of the Brotherhoods. Got plenty of them right there. Okay. All right, let's go see what they got in the clearance section right here. It is 20% off the hash wall. All right, they do have some of the Zion 1, size 8.5, going for 90. I was hoping, I'd have been cool buying one of these, but they don't have my size. I did check the Nike app. Using the Nike app, you can see what sizes they have at this location. Ooh, this would be really good for this price. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I need to check, see if they have my size on this. All right, you guys can see what it showed when I checked the Nike app. Supposedly they have my size. So let me ask someone, or let me look around first, and then, yeah, 130, 20% off. That's almost 100 bucks. Holy crap. Sizing is everywhere, dude. Size 10.5. Center quartz. That's a pretty dope color, though. Pretty dope color. 135 though, full price. ISPAs right here. These are size 10, go for 2 bills. Dang. LeBron lows right here, 230. Hope you guys check the Nike website. I talked about it on my last video. Been having crazy sales on the LeBron. These are definitely not the LeBron 9s, but yeah, on the LeBron 19s and stuff, crazy sales. Actually, these ain't even LeBrons. I'm tripping. These are the Zions. Hopefully these are cheaper. Well, yeah, there's no way, because these don't go for 230. Fly traps, these so reminded me of the Mellows. The Puma Mellows going for 80. This is size 9. Lasuna slides going for 25. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. That's the size 9. Invincible Run Flyknits going for 180. Size 8s, they got a bunch of these Zions, 90 bucks. Size 7, these are 90. LeBron Witness 5s go for 95. These are size 7.5. Ooh, this is the most interesting find so far. The Experimentals. This is a Halloween shoe. Man, I think the bottom is all glow in the dark, right? That is pretty dope. Pretty dope. Yeah, it's just glow in the dark. I was seeing if there's any 3M. It's just all glow in the dark. I wonder what the price is. There's no way it's retail, right? Because these came out forever ago. I never noticed that. You take the top off. That's hilarious. You do take the top layer off, because I was like, what the hell? Looks weird. Yeah, I thought I could check the price on my app, but I couldn't. All right, I did talk to one of the workers. 150. You do get that discount, I guess. All right, so these are size 9, the Kyrie Infinities. Hope you guys are paying attention to my videos, because I did talk about these being on Nike. This colorway I think was $54. I think $54 after 20% off. That was actually crazy. Some 10.5 Air Force One Lux, and these are pretty insane, dude. Quality seems like on point on these. Man, material seems super nice. I thought it was 3M on top. Never mind. Man, these are pretty dope, dude. I just don't know. They're heavy as hell. And then the price tag. These are normally $150. They're pretty high usually. Air Max Pre-Days, 10.5 go for retail, looks like. The trainers. What are these going for? $90. This is size 11. No size 12s, it looks like. It goes all the way to size 13, 95. At least a little discount. Bunch of these Zions go for 90. Just not much. The Tailwinds go for 80. That's a size 12. 11.5. The series 0.5 or 0.05 going for 55. Street got those size 9 right here. I don't know what the hell this is doing here. Some decent material too. Indoor soccer shoes go for 85, size 9. Trainers go for 85. That's actually a really good deal, especially with that 20% off. This is size 11. I was like, what? No, not really. Not really. The point lanes. Yeah, they've been messing with us with that. All right, not the craziest. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Start with some comforts here. They do got these bad boys 140. They come in One of these recycled looking boxes. Okay. Vapor Max 2021 fly nets go for $130, pretty decent discount. Got some running shoes next to it. These going for really cheap. Okay, Invincible Run fly nets. React milers, more of those. Seeing a lot of additional sales. Wow. Infinity Run fly nets. Another one of those. Vaporfly Next Percent. Seeing these here for quite a few weeks. Alpha Fly Next Percent. Got some Zoom Terra Kigers, for those of you guys who like to hike and do some trail running. Pegasus Trail 2s, another one of those. Wild Horse, I believe these are like the budget version of those. Tons and tons of Pegasus 37s. Been seeing the prices go down, like 65, hella cheap for those. Pegasus 38s even going cheaper. Dang, dude, what the hell? Got them in all black as well. Dude, got these. Got the 4E versions right here, the extra wide ones. Waffle Trainer 2s. These are dope. Air Max 95s. Remember we saw these for what, $50 one time here a while back. Then the basketball section. Soldiers right here, Soldier 14s. Another one of those. Flytrap 4s. Another one of those. Dang, a ton of Flytraps. And I think that's the last one. Okay. Witness 5s. Another one of those. More of these. Jordan Liftoffs. Do they count as Jordans? Jordan Access. Got couple more. Then last one right here, there's people right there, that's right. But yeah, that's pretty much about it with the aisles, man. Clearance apparel, just looking pretty meh, pretty whatever. A triple XL sweats right here, $40, normally $80. There's this extra 20% off. Pretty much everything's like XL, double XL, triple XL. Dude got these. Oh, these are the penny sweats going for $50. Normally $100. Got some yoga stuff. Y'all into yoga stuff? Small, the size small yoga tights going for $30. Bunch of these Jordan sweats, double XL and stuff though. Not much today. Dude got this jacket right here. It's kind of like a windbreaker, $35, but it is a double XL. Man, got t-shirts. You got this. This is Kendrick Nunn jersey going for $100. This size small. Dude, just like t-shirts and stuff. Nothing special. Nothing standing out at all today. All right, nothing too crazy, but still crazy line. Still got them brotherhoods. All right, we're done. We're done. All right, guys, it did happen again, man. I'm so tired of Nike East LA. Man, maybe I might have to boycott that place for a bit too. Kind of a pain. But I did end up finding those Tempo Next Percents. I actually hit up my boy. He actually already picked them up because they were such a good deal. He actually came over last night, picked them up. But yeah, I got those for $50 freaking dollars, 20% off. That was kind of insane. Looks like it was mismarked, so might be worth having them scanned stuff, you guys. Might be worth having them scanned stuff. That was insane. Got those for $40, $200 shoes for $40. Pretty freaking insane. And then I did hit up Nike Outlet Citadel. Them Griffies, man. I really like them Griffies. The Griffies were a really, really good deal. They were what was it? $130. Did get 20% off. That's kind of crazy. Probably would have been like $106 or something like that. Pretty freaking good deal. Man, I'm just kind of low on funds, so I wasn't able to grab those. Just been grabbing. I don't know. I need to get rid of more stuff and stuff. Maybe I might be able to find those later. But yeah, they did have a few decent things here and there. Nothing too crazy, but some of the prices were pretty low. Nike East LA, they got those refurbished deals, so that's not going to be for everybody. But if you guys don't mind that, pretty solid deals. Nike outlets have been really up and down. I'm seeing on Instagram and stuff, some of you guys finding some crazy stuff. I haven't been finding the craziest deals like that, but I have been finding some solid deals here and there. But it is what it is. It was packed. That was surprising. I didn't think the Nike outlets would be packed, especially the way the economy's going. But I don't know. Maybe people don't feel that quite yet. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna continue to hit up plenty of spots. Should be heading out to some shops today after work, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button. If you need to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.